Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to import an XML file into draw.io. This is particularly useful when you want to bring in diagrams or data from other sources and continue editing them in draw.io. Quote, "as intuitive interface." Let's get started with this straightforward process. First, open your web browser and navigate to draw.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a Start button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your entry point to accessing draw.io, quote, "as full suite of diagramming tools and features." After clicking Start, the system will automatically direct you to a new tab. This is where the main draw.io editor interface opens up, giving you access to all the drawing and editing capabilities. You might need to wait just a moment for everything to load properly, especially if it's your first time accessing the platform. Once you're in the editor, look towards the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the File menu. Click on File to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your diagrams. This menu is essential for all file operations within draw.io, from creating new documents to importing existing ones. From the drop-down menu, locate and click on Import from. This option opens up a sub-menu that presents you with multiple import sources. You'll see several choices here, including Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, GitHub, GitLab, browser, device, and URL. These different options give you flexibility depending on where your XML file is currently stored, whether it's in cloud storage or on your local machine. For this tutorial, we're going to click on Device. This option allows you to import files directly from your computer's local storage, which is typically the most straightforward method if you've downloaded or saved your XML file locally. After selecting Device, a file browser window will pop up on your screen. This is your computer's standard file navigation system. Take a moment to navigate through your folders and locate the XML file you want to import. Once you've found it, click on the file to select it. You'll see it highlighted, indicating that it's been selected and ready for import. With your XML file selected, click the Open button at the bottom of the file browser window. Draw.io will now process and import your XML file, converting it into an editable diagram within the editor. Depending on the size and complexity of your file, this might take a few seconds, so be patient while the import completes. And that's it, you've successfully imported your XML file into Draw.io and can now edit, modify, or enhance your diagram as needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.